vinuthna, studying 3rd class A1. I am learning computer basics in MadhuTechSkills computer education. In this session, we are going to learn about what is computer, what is input, what is output. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device which takes the input, processes it and sends the output to us. What is input? What the data given by the keyboard to the computer is known as input. What is output? The data shown on the monitor is known as output. Why a computer is called an electronic device? A computer is known as electronic device because it will run with power. Without power, we can't run a computer. Now, we are going to discuss about the 4 basic parts of a computer. Those are keyboard, mouse, CPU is internally in the laptop, and the monitor. The keyboard and mouse is used to give the input to the computer. The processor is used to process the data, or the CPU is used to process the data. Monitor is used to display the results. Thank you, students. Please subscribe our channel MadhuTechSkills Computer Education or MadhuTechSkills.